Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we are going to understand Cron Expression in Apache Airflow. What are they, how they work, and how to use them inside a DAG. So let's start the video. So, if you are working with Airflow in the production or preparing for interview, Cron Expression is super important. So, what is Cron Expression? Airflow uses cron expression to schedule DAGs. A cron expression is a string comprising 5 fields separated by white space that represents a set of time, normally as a schedule to execute some routine. In simple words, a cron expression defines when your workflow should run automatically. So, first asterisk is minute, second is hour, third is day of month, fourth is month, and fifth is day of the week. For example, if I have to run a DAG every day at 6 am, then the cron expression should look like 0, 6 and 3 times asterisk. If I have to run a DAG every minute, then the cron expression should look like asterisk /1 and 4 times asterisk. Now let me show how you can use this cron expression in Airflow. So this is my Docker setup for Airflow. Go to the DAGs folder inside your Airflow project and create a file with the name as create_DAG with cronscheduler.py. Let me import DAG, task and date time. So, to create a DAG, I will write @DAG. Inside this, DAG_ID equals DAG with cronscheduler_v1. Start date equals date time 2026-3,1. I want to run this DAG every minute. So I will write schedule equals */1 and 4 times asterisk, which means it will run every minute. I will set catchup equals false so that it should not run the DAG for the previous dates. I will create a function, so I will write def cron_task. And for the task, I will write @task def print message print hello, this is triggered using cron expression. And then print message and at the end cron_task. So this basically means run this DAG every minute. So when I enable the DAG, it will automatically run every minute. Now let's open the terminal and start the Airflow. So I will type docker compose up-d. Now my Airflow is up and running. So go to Airflow web UI. The username is Airflow and the password is Airflow. So this is our DAG. I will enable the DAG and wait for some time as our DAG should run every minute. As you can see, the DAG is executed. Now let's go and see the log. And you can see the output message as hello. This DAG is triggered using cron expression. So what has happened behind the scene? Scheduler checks for the cron expression. When the time matches, it creates a DAG run. Executor picks the task for the DAG and the tasks are executed automatically. So these are some real-world production example of Cron Expression. Let's say you want to run daily at midnight. Then the Cron expression should look like 0, 0 and 3 times asterisk. If you have to run a job every Monday at 9 am, then the Cron expression should look like 0, 9, asterisk, asterisk and 1. Let's say you want to run your DAG every 15 minutes. Then the Cron expression should look like asterisk, /15 and 4 times asterisk. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.